how to turn on or turn off allow an app to appear on top on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on Android Auto. After click on Android Auto, so scroll down and click on appear on appear on top. If you want to turn on appear on top, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see appear on top is turn on. If you want to turn off appear on top, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see appear on top is turn off. You will turn on or turn off appear on top from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off appear on top on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.